good? Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Kayla Lashae, and today I'm so excited because it is officially fall in my mind. Don't tell me differently in the comment section below. I don't know about you guys, but fall fragrances, fall home decor, fall vibes are just my thing, and I just have to get started early, and today just happens to be the day that I got my delivery from Bath & Body Works. So I ordered online for obvious reasons. Miss Rona's in town, so a lot of these things I don't even know what they smell like. And I do have to say that just by browsing on the website, I noticed that they didn't have a ton of scents compared to last year. So a lot of my favorites I just couldn't find listed on the website, but maybe they'll bring them when it's actually fall. I don't know. Let me know down below if you guys are out here doing your fall shopping. Are you getting started early just like I am? Or is fall just not your thing? Because I just can't relate to that. But let us know in the comments down below. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel. Hopefully you guys take a second to subscribe and click the post notification bell next to it so you guys never miss an upload. Soaps. I feel like these days you can never have enough, and I think they were like 6 for $26. So I decided to snag 6 hand soaps, and my favorite happens to be the foaming. I'm not a huge fan of the one that has the beads in it. I find that it gets stuck to my sink, and it's just not a vibe to have to clean up all the time. So I got myself one of the Sunshine and Lemon foaming hand washes. This packaging, the marble, I think is so cute. I definitely want to put it in my bathroom. They say that these are made with essential oils, which is really nice. The second one that I got is the Perfect Autumn. Again, I really liked this cute pumpkin packaging. So how can I smell this? Because I do want to tell you guys if they're good, because I know not all of us can go to the store. Ooh, this one smells like apples, you guys. That's a nice fragrance. Let me smell the other one and let you know if I like the Sunshine and Lemon. Oh yeah, very citrusy. I think this is gonna be great for the kitchen area too. I like those like fresh scents. I'm not huge into the seductive ones for my hand soaps. So the next one I got is Cactus Blossom. This is my favorite fragrance in the candle. Also really like this cute packaging. I think that they made them so adorable with the textures here, so that they actually look cute on your sink. Oh yeah, this one is a little strong, but she smells really good, so definitely add that one to your cart. Sun-washed citrus. Again, check out this cute packaging. Has it always been like this? Or am I just late because I just haven't been out? Oh my god, I got it on my nose. Ooh! This one is nice. All about fall, y'all. Look at that little pumpkin. That's the mood I'm trying to be in. Cozy Vanilla Cream is this one. So let's see. Ooh, this one smells like warm vanilla sugar. This one's nice. White tea and sage. These are also made with vitamin E, shea extract, and aloe in addition to the essential oils. So let's see. I like this one. See, I like anything that's like earthy, you know, like eucalyptus and all of that. All right, then I had to get myself a few of these room sprays. These things are phenomenal. I feel like not enough people haul them, review them, rave about them, but I'm here to tell you guys that you need to pick up some and put them in your fall order. I believe it was like 3 for something. I don't remember exactly what it was. I got a Sweater Weather, of course, because it's fall. Like, that's my essential fall fragrance. I got my hands on the Vanilla Birch Room fragrance, and my mom loves this scent. Like, that's what her whole home smells like, and it reminds me of her, so I had to get it for myself. And then the last one, which is one of my personal favorites, if you want your home, your apartment, your room, whatever, to smell amazing, even your car, keep these in your car. That's what I do, and it just makes it just feel amazing and smell really fresh. This is the Rosewater and Ivy scent, and of course it's in the pink packaging. So cute. This is like Kayla's fragrance, you guys. So definitely check these out. They always have a good deal. That's how they spray, and they're pretty strong. Like, one of these in your car, you're totally good. I don't know about you, but I just like things to smell really good. I'm big into fragrances. So let's move on to the 3-wick candles. They were on sale, $10 off. I believe it was like $14.50 or so. So I decided to treat myself because I haven't purchase anything from Bath and Body Works, you guys, all year and then some change. So this was just the time for me to go in and stock up on the fall fragrances and try new ones out. So let's see how these smell, because I was just going off of the description on the website. So this one is Apple Weather. I think this packaging is really adorable, and I like the packaging that isn't crazy. Like the Halloween stuff, not my favorite, but stuff like this can act as really cute home decor. So I try to pick a candle in a cute sleeve. Ooh, this one smells like apples, obviously. Very fresh, very light, not too crazy or wild. So the next one that I ordered, by the way, I love how they packaged their candles. The next candle I got is Autumn Woods. And I really like this packaging as well. As a description, this is dark walnut, English lavender, white amber, and essential oils. Ooh, this one's like a masculine scent. Sorry, my lighting's going crazy. The sun just disappeared. This is a very subtle masculine fragrance. Ooh, definitely a little bit woody. I love that. It would not be fall without autumn. This one I remember just loving. Oh yeah, this one's like very fresh, light, very crisp. You know, you wake up in the morning, it's just very fresh, crisp air. That's what I would describe this candle as being. So definitely pick this one up. And it has bright red gala apples, juicy fig, eucalyptus, and balsam. So as you can imagine, it's just very fresh. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Ooh, look at this. It's like a matte packaging. So I got a pumpkin apple. I'm vibing with this. Oh my gosh, so cute. Ooh, I was not ready for that. Ooh, I smell cinnamon. I'm not the biggest cinnamon person. Apple, fall pumpkin, fresh cinnamon, clove. I should have read the freaking description. If you love cinnamon, you will love this. What is your fall fragrance? Like your essential? Let me know in the comments down below. Have I hauled it yet? I don't know. Let us know. Ooh, okay, we got a marshmallow fireside. This one by far is just a classic. I feel like everybody loves this. This matte slate. It's giving me life. Okay. Oh. Am I tripping? Because there are no wicks on this candle. What?
No, 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 no.
Oh my god, how am I gonna return this? The stores aren't open. I was so hyped for that. I don't know, maybe, is the wick buried? I don't understand. Like, are your malls open where you live? Because in LA, ours are still closed from my understanding. I don't know, it changes all the time. I can't keep up. But anyways, the next one I got is the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. This one has vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, and caramel. That just sounds amazing. Ooh, this is like a cookie type of fragrance. So if you like sweet scents, definitely get this one. And I really do like the packaging of this. Like the stickers, so cute, very fall. Like this is probably what I would do for Halloween. That's like the most Halloween-esque I will get. But yeah, warm and sweet is what this one smells like. Next up, fresh fall morning. Does that not sound amazing? We got the little tree decor. We got some wicks in this one this time. This is the citrus with sage, apples, and essential oils. Yes. This one is giving me cologne. Light. It's not like crazy in your face, I'm gonna get a headache. This is nice. Highly recommend if you like those like masculine fragrances. Next up, love this packaging. This is cute. This one is called Pumpkin Bonfire, you guys. This is so nice. I love the gray tones here in the packaging with this textured lid. All about the details. Glowing embers, clove buds, and then white pumpkin. Oh, why am I getting marshmallow? Ooh, oh, maybe because it's the bonfire. Oh my god, this This is what I want my apartment to smell like every day, all day, into the night. Oh, yes. This one kind of reminds me of Fireside, which they don't have out right now. I'm hoping they put it up because that is my #1 favorite candle. Don't tell anyone because I need to get them, but that is kind of what it reminds me of. I don't get too much pumpkin in that, to be honest. And then the next one we got, this one is Leaves. Oh my gosh, okay. Love-hate relationship with Leaves, but I feel like it wouldn't be a fall Bath & Body Works haul if I didn't add this to the cart. First of all, love the packaging of this brown matte. Oh, it's so cute. So this one obviously is red apples, nectar, and then warm clove spice. Now the reason why I say love hate is because the scent of this is so what in the world did I do? It's like I see the wick but it's over poured. I think that's what it is. Maybe I can try and melt it down. But anyways, the reason why I say love hate with Leaves is because it's so strong. Like I could have this burning in the bathroom. 2 minutes later, it's so intense. The neighbors can smell it. Like it's a very strong candle. For me, I'm a little bit sensitive to crazy strong scents, but this one I can burn a little bit at a time and it's fine. Hopefully I can get these wicks. I think I can melt it down. It should be fine. I just don't want to go through the whole let me return. And then the last thing I have for this haul is dun, 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 my other bay for fall time, guys. I love this scent. I don't know why I didn't get more. It's the Cider Lane fragrance. Yes, you guys, this just smells like you're going to an apple picking farm. I've never been to one, but you know, this is what I would imagine it to be like. So this one is warm caramel, Granny Smith apple, dark brown sugar. I think that's why I love it. And then ground clove. So, ooh, and the caramel, it's like buttery. I don't know, like, oh my God. It's warm. It's fuzzy like a sweater, like your favorite sweater that you would put on. Like, oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Like, I love fall so much. And like, it's the one thing that I actually get to look forward to of 2020. It's been rough. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry because this is bringing back memories. You know, like scents have memories and feelings attached to them. Like, I don't know what it is about this. Maybe something significant happened to me last year during this time of having this candle, but oh my God. I feel blessed. I'm so blessed. Okay, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna keep my receipt in case I do have to return or exchange, I'm sorry, those 2 candles. Can you exchange them if you burn them? Like, what if you don't like the scent? But also, like, what if I try to melt the wax and it doesn't reveal the wick? Can I still return to exchange? That's what I need to know. Anyone that works at Bath & Body Works, let your girl know. But that's it. That's all for my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Maybe this inspired you guys to get into the fall spirit and cozy up your home space. I know for me, since we're spending so much time at home, it was important for me to get things that bring me joy, that make me happy, that make me feel good being in this space. So naturally, I gravitate towards room fragrances, candles, get my little handsomes. Get excited to wash my hands for 20 seconds, you know? So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!